Well, at one of the glaciers. Today is Thursday. I think it's August the 8th. We made a little stop here at this glacier. And there it is there. I'm on a rock. I'm actually on mainland Greenland now, not on one of the islands. Some more glaciers off in the distance. And if we turn around here, you can see our Zodiacs down there. We've made our landing. And out in the background, all the growlers out there. And water's pretty clear here too. We saw a whale on the way up. I didn't get too close to him, but we saw his fin taking dives a number of times. And look at this down here from, I don't want to get too close, but the oh, that's part of the rock under the water there. I thought it was leaching out, but this rock goes way out there. I don't know if you can see it or not here. Okay, this is Ed Getley reporting. I'm here in Greenland. And you can see there's a glacier in back of me here. And this is mainland Greenland. And we have other people around us that are getting off the boat, but I'll swing around here. But yeah, there's the glacier back there. So you can see it. There we go. How's that? A little bit better? Okay. And we'll come around here, still on that same rock that I was before, but come around here and you can see the Zodiacs in back of me. So this is Ed Getley, signing off for the time being here. Okay, bye-bye.
Right.
Didn't mean Greenland dolls.
Right.
From here, it's very difficult to explain how big the glacier was when I was a child. But you can imagine, can you see the moraine on the other side of it?